vehicles, and please watch your children. Please take small children by the hand and watch your step onto the moving platform. The platform is moving at the same speed as your time machine vehicle.
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times.
Welcome aboard on the Magic Running. Please show us where you're from. Well, time travel. Linking you now to your guide.
Future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here in this hostile world is the house that we began. Struggling to survive until we learn to take. Now we can have some tea and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave recording. There's only one small problem. When we move, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. Picture. watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Months toiled endlessly to call the books by hand. That is about to invents the movable typewriter press. Now knowledge can travel faster and travel later. Technology invents the future in every place. As a result of an incredible explosion of innovation we call the young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that grows through billions of interactions. Stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship.
Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated.
say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure